In this video, I'll show you how to change the wallpaper of your iPhone 13, 13 mini, 13 Pro, 13 Pro Max. First, you need to open Settings. Then you need to scroll down until you see Wallpaper. Tap on it. And here you'll be able to see the wallpaper that you currently have on your lock screen and on your home screen. You can change both independently. So to change the wallpaper, you need to tap on the Choose a New Wallpaper settings here. And Apple already give you a few wallpapers that you can use for free. There are some dynamic ones, so they move around, some stills. Here they can change depending on the time of the day, and some live ones. You can also choose a wallpaper from your photo. So all your pictures can become a wallpaper. You just need to tap on all your photos and select the one you want. But let's say I want a still wallpaper. This one, all right? All you have to do is tap on it. You'll need to click the Set button here on the lower right corner, and it will ask you if you want to put this new wallpaper on your lock screen or your home screen or on both. Let's say I want it on both. I'll tap on it and it will take just a few seconds and it will be done. As you can see, my wallpaper changed. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe, leave a like, and I'll see you in the next one.